TinyWOW is incredibly versatile and easy to use. I'm going to show you real quick how you can merge PDFs, which is a big deal for small business owners because it keeps documents organized and professional. It can save time when sending and uploading files, and it creates a faster and clearer record keeping when you have to deal with taxes and compliance and all those other things. So real quick, we're going to search for merge. You hit search, and then it's going to pop up right here, and it's going to open up into a new browser, and you just upload the files you have. So we'll upload from the PC, and I have some sample ones here. We'll just click on a couple of them, throw them all in there, and it quickly just combines all the files into one. You have a chance to organize them how you want, or remove them, or rotate them however needed. This all looks good to me, so I'll just hit merge. There you go. And it's processing it right now. And we're almost finished with this. Download it real quick. And let's go ahead and open it. And you'll be able to see that now all three files are here. It's that simple, guys. Okay, we're going to show you how to quickly make a note here in Google Keep to help keep you organized. So we'll start with weekly business tasks. This will be the title. And then if you click the three dots here, we can say show checkboxes. That essentially makes it a checklist for you. So first task, send the client invoices. Hit enter, brings it down to the new line. Review, weekly sales, reorder, inventory, post on social media, post on your socials, check emails, and last we can update and review pricing. And right here, as soon as you hit close, it saves it over here. And then as you go throughout the week, you can just open it up and show the ones that you have. And once you click them, you see how they go down there as they're completed. And that's it. Very simple.